Let me show you how to install a 3-prong cord. Remove the terminal block cover. Now you can have a good view of the terminal block and the wires. Remove the nut from the terminal block. Be careful you don't drop any, or you will have to take the drive apart. The cord has 3 terminals and they connect to L2, N, and L1. Feed the terminals through the cord holding clamp. The wire in the middle goes connected to the terminal on the middle in the terminal block. Just make sure that the wire in the middle connects to the middle terminal on the terminal block. Connect the wire on the right to the terminal L1 on the terminal block, the one on the right, and connect the wire on the left to the L2 terminal on the terminal block, the one on the left. Tighten the cord clamp. Install the terminal block cover. It is very important that you install this cover because this cover will protect people from live 240 volt wires. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy parts from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.